Hi guys, my name is Dan. On this video I will show you how I wound up my coil using a sewing machine bobbin winder. First of all, as you can see from the pictures, it's a good idea to shape the way you want your bobbin to be wound. And I did it with a 3D printer. I guess you can do it with anything else as you like. So just enjoy the video now. One more thing, I would like to add the turn counter. I have downloaded it from Thingiverse. I will put the link on this video so if you want, you can download it as well. It works pretty well. You need to modify a little bit, but it's really nice. I'd like to thank the guy that is sharing this file on Thingiverse.